Assalamualaikum and hello Dr. Hartini and Prof. Zu. My name is Binti Mama AZMAN and my matric number is 067672. I'm 22 years old and I'm from 3rd year LLB and also one of your student in Law Associations and Company Law 1. My previous academic institution is in Diploma in Law. My vision is to develop legal education and skill development, and my vision is to become a skilled and effective advocate for justice and the rule of law. On the first week, we had been introduced to the Introduction Law of Association and Company Law 1, and Doctor had briefly explained the topics that we are going to learn for the whole semester and the details course information for this subject. Then, we learn the first topic, which is types of business entities. And after finish the topic, we be able to differentiate between business entities. On the second week, Dr. and Prof proceed with the lecture on part 2 of the Partnership Act, which are the definition of a partnership and rules for determining party and the formation of partnership. We also have done tutorial regarding to the Lex Theatre movie Social Network 2010. On the third week, we have learned the liability of the firm to third parties, and we have to submit the draft of firm profiles in eClip. On fourth week, we continue the topic on relation of partners with one another and the rights and duties of partners. There are also tutorial that have been completed, which is problem-based question and had to submit in eClip. On week 5, we discussed the concept of liability in partnership, and week 6 have learned the solution of partnership and part 5 of Partnership Act 1961. Following the midterm break, on November 14, Tuan Ahmad Muaz Muhammad Nawawi have been conducted a guest lecture on the topic of formation of business in legal service. Since we have completed the partnership topics, we move on to a new topic in week 9 that is connected to companies. 3 topics were covered under this week, which are pre-incorporation contracts, the duties of promoters, and the introduction to company law. The final topic for this subject is the effect of incorporation and lifting of the corporate veil is continued by Doctor on weeks 10 and 11. We also have tasks that must be completed in the group, which is tutorial, drafting, and partnership agreements. Here I included the picture of all of our tasks. So after I have learned this subject and completed all the topics, I can see there are many corporate legal structures in this subject. I can now distinguish between various partnerships, and businesses and understand the legal ramification of each. It also has improved my comprehension of contractual arrangements. Contractual clarity is essential whether it pertains to the terms of a partnership agreement or the relationship between shareholders. How meticulous legal documents and procedures are in association and business affairs. I also know that drafting contract regulations and agreements of association calls for accuracy and close attention to detail. Besides, I'll be able to examine how it protects individual members from personal accountability and fosters the expansion of economic businesses is an intriguing endeavor. I think I will apply what I have learned in the subject when I become a legal advocate in the future. I think that's all from me. Thank you.